Joe, I have your next assignment for you. Here's the briefing. Don't get comfortable just yet. This'll interest you, so listen up.
Yeah, I'm listening.
That Smoke Black N64 controller you're ordered online?
This one?
Not a Smoke Black. It's actually a discolored atomic purple. They're notorious for discoloration. Go pay them a visit.
That's a good plan. I'm off.
Wait!
What is it?
Grab me some milk on your way back.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, I want to get that ball!
I ordered a Smoke Black controller and I got this.
It's definitely black, sir.
Turns out it's an atomic purple.
Perhaps you should take off your sunglasses. Or get your eyes tested.
I want my money back.
I can offer you in-store credit.
Only in-store credit?
That's it.
I'll give you bloody in-store credit.
Uh-oh. Yeah. That just looks like a toy to me. Funny.
See ya.